Tonight I'm going to do a pick and gut video of the Master 911. Here's the key, there's the bitting, and of course the key works just fine to get it open. New lock, I just got it a couple days ago, day before yesterday, or yesterday, I don't know. Can't remember, they all run together anymore. Anyways, I'm using the widest tension wrench that comes with the Sparrow's Tuxedo kit, and an HPC, I guess it'd be called like a short hook. I think I just always call it a standard hook. So anyways, make sure everything's good to go. Counter rotation, I think it was pin 4. I don't know if I set it or slipped off. Yeah, I think it's set. Boom, there we go. It is open. There you go. So, anyways, I guess now comes the fun part. We get to take this thing apart. Hopefully I don't drop anything. I've attempted to make this video already a couple times before, but it wound up not going very smoothly. There we go. Okay, screw comes out. And there we go. Let's see if we can't get this little guy apart here. Sorry. Get apart without destroying it is the question. Alright, now something I ran into previously when making this video was I had the wrong size plug follower, because all I've ever taken apart is deadbolts and quick sets and stuff like that. So this is a 1/4 inch bit holder. It's a little bit smaller, but it does the job just fine. Alright, so there's that. Move some of that junk out of the way. Tilt this thing up just a little bit. Move that, move that. Okay. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, and 5. Now, I think here, so yeah. We've got a tiny spool. We've got a, oop, come here. Tiny spool. We've got, I'm gonna go on a limb here and say, oh, my gimbal paid off. Another tiny spool. Oh, that one jumped out. Tiny spool, if it'll focus. Nah, focused enough. Tiny spool. And last but not least, a tiny. Let's see if I can get this here. Itty bitty serrated pen. With little, very, very shallow little grooves in it. So, anyhow, there's the Master 911 pulled apart. And I guess now it's time to put it back together. The fun part, because I don't have those fancy little tweezers with the rounded ends on them. For this, I must need an extra hand. Wow, it jumped out. Come on. Get down. All right. That one for me is usually the hardest. Usually. Let me turn these upside down. Seems to make it a little easier. Let me grab these other tweezers. Maybe that'll make it easier. Because that's just being a pain in the butt. I don't even know what these tweezers are for. I found them at work. I think they came out of like a multi-pack of cheap tweezers. But they're a little bit skinnier, so might make it easier for me. Nah. There's that one. That one. Number 2. And number 1. Okay. Now that that's done, we can put these back in. Sorry, I keep forgetting I'm supposed to be putting this all on camera, so I apologize if the action drifts off screen. Also apologize if I seem kind of delirious, because it's very late and a long day, but I wanted to try to get this thing done, so here we can see that I'll line up with the shear line just right. And a little sticky, but I noticed that last time I took this thing apart, it's kind of sticky until it all goes back together, and it works just fine. Thought it was kind of strange. Actually, let me go ahead and remove the key so I don't do anything silly. That back together. If I can get that in the right spot. There we go. Drop that back in there. Okay. That goes back down the hole. Snugski. Alright. Oop. And it works. So, apologize if that was brutal. Took a long time, but yeah, there's my pick and gut video for the Master 911. Thank you.